Hi, I'm Ashley Gage, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make links in HTML. First, start by opening up Sublime Text. Now we're going to create a new file called links.html. We're going to save that into our documents for now. But in a later video, I'm going to have you make a folder with all of your HTML lessons inside of it. Now we are again going to start out by building a basic HTML web page. I taught how to do this in an earlier video. If you have not seen that video yet, please click the link in the top right corner of this video. In between the two title tags, I want you to type links. Let's make a header that says links, just to define our page. First, I want you to create a paragraph tag, which is just going to be the letter P between two of our little brackets. This is the proper way to format your text. And let's type click here. We're going to be putting our link around the word here. So to add a link, we're going to add an anchor tag. An anchor is the letter A between two brackets. Let's save that and look at it in the browser. You can see that it still looks the same. So let's go back into Sublime. We need to add an href to our anchor tag. Href is for hyperreference. Here we're going to put the URL. Let's go back to our browser and get our URL to put into our href. I will be using google.com for our example. Copy this, and you're going to paste that between the two quotes. Save and view in your browser. Once you've refreshed your page, you can see that the text is now underlined and has changed color. And when you click on it, you will be taken to the URL that you pasted in between the two quotes. And here's your link. For more videos like this one, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.